Only your self-conviction is required in order to manifest your desires. The law is really basic in its heart. Really, whatever you accept as true will appear in your experience. There is nothing you need to do once you accept something as genuine or true. The law handles everything smoothly and automatically. This happens quickly. It doesn't take long. You set a big restriction if you think you need months, or even weeks at times, because things might change radically overnight. So the tricky part is simply to stop solidifying the unwanted by not giving it attention, reacting to it, or cultivating it in your mind, and do the opposite for what you want. Give it your full attention, focus on it frequently, react to it with feelings and emotion, and cultivate it playfully in your mind and attitude. You have no choice except to persuade yourself of the reality you wish to see manifested. This does not require a specific approach. Consider how you persuaded yourself to think what you believe today. Some people accomplish this by repeating affirmations, others by replaying mental films and feeling the emotions associated with them, and yet others through a more reasoning method. And for others, it's a combination of those and more. As a result, the more you concentrate on the desired reality or condition, the more it becomes a part of you. It causes a separation from the unfavorable reality. In the end, it's simply not you. All of this is basic mental diet. You nurture what you desire in your mind, which is like a garden. This is certainly the life secret. Choose a preferred reality or belief and continue to generate it. Remember that your sole task is to accept it as true, to persuade yourself. Everything else is handled automatically and without delay by the law. As Neville said, you are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. So, start believing in what you want to have. You do not need another person to believe in you. You create your own rules, and only you destroy them. So, stop waiting for signs and evidences in order to manifest. Do subscribe if you enjoyed this video and would love to watch more of these. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting!